sizo-activatana as members zomkhonto wesizwe. Yazi okungibuthisayo kukodwa ukuthi njengoba sesiqala indlela eya kuma-elections, uyazi ukuthi after, not even after, before umkhonto wesizwe umenyezelwa, umkhonto wesizwe waziwa la ekuruleni, ikuruleni eyaqala la kwaphuma ama-forms la abantu babejoyina umkhonto wesizwe. Ababewujoyina yazi ngengaki, abawujoyina ngey-2 zaka-December 2023 le eDavidton kwi-tournament singakawu-announce, sisaprepara ukuwu-announce. Waqala la manje-ke, you know, namhlanje we are here as ikuruleni to revoke the spirit esaqala ngaso umkhonto wesizwe. Kwaqala la konke namanje ikuruleni nginethemba ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uyolungiswa, abantu basekuruleni nationally, because lento yaqala la. Sisaya kuma-elections with the spirit lesengikhuluma ngaso la khona we were all united. We went to ama-elections ka-2024. We were a united force. Manje asilungiseni la kumoshakale khona, and lokho kuyothatha ikuruleni to fix umkhonto wesizwe. Kuyothatha ikuruleni ukuthi abomasipala sibathathe bonke nationally. Kuyothatha i-unity yasekuruleni ukuthi i-unite umkhonto wesizwe nationally. Yini abantu enazi umqimbi, niyawazi lo mqimbi, abantu bakhumbuzeni ngalo mqimbi ukuthi lo mqimbi womkhonto wesizwe uhamba kanje. Comrades, I want us ukuthi sisaya kuma-elections. Comrades, let us not allow any vacuum. Asingavumeli kube khona ne-vacuum, because la okukhona khona i-vacuum, the enemy ithatha khona ama-chance ingene. Comrades, ngicela singayivumeli i-vacuum. Comrades, asenzeni the way senza ngakhona 2024. Uma sifuna umkhonto wesizwe uwathathe nama-elections, ubathathe nabomasipala. We will have to go back to a drawing board. Sizibuze ukuthi ngo-2024 senza kanjani ukuthi siphume sithole ama-seats ayi-58 eParlamente, sithole ama-seats ayi-37 e-KZN, sithole ayi-8 elonene eGauteng, sithole ayi-9 eMpumalanga. Uma singagijima ngaleso spirit, comrades, as we are going to elections, local government elections. That will take love. Comrades, let's love one another. As amalunga omkhonto wesizwe, omunye ucomrade asamile la ukhulume ngokuthi comrades konakanephi sesizondana kangaka. Comrade, 2025 we have done nothing. Instead we were busy fighting ngama-positions. Ngifuna ukuthi comrades sikhumbuzaneni ukuthi it's not about us. It's not about us. It's not about me. It's not about you. But it's about the poor masses of this country. Okumele sibakhululile. Sithi sifuna ukukhulula iSouth Africa. Comrades, I know ukuthi as I'm here, I don't want to preach to the converted. But into engizokhuluma ngayo ukuthi comrades, njengoba ama-guidelines angakaphumi, asimeli ukuthi kuze kuphuma ama-guidelines. Ama-guidelines mawasithole ngendlela, because we will never know ukuthi why there's a delay ukuthi kuphume ama-guidelines to guide ukuthi sigijime kanjani ukuya kuma-elections. But sonaka sisalindile i-leadership, comrades, masingahlali, asingeneni ebantwini, umuntu emntwini. Comrades, asirecruiteni, asingeneni kuzindlu ngezindlu, sitshele abantu nge-people's mandate ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ubaphatheleni. Umkhonto wesizwe yini izinto ozozishintsha. Siyeleleni ukuza yazi la umkhonto wesizwe sinawo wonke inhlobo yomuntu. Sinawo yonke inhlobo yabantu abafundile, abantu abangafundanga. Niyangizwa comrades? Sina bonke labantu bakhona. But angeke sonke comrades sibe kwi-leadership. Into esixabanisayo siqhatshaniswa ukuthi sonke we want to lead. We see ourselves as leaders. Comrades, khona okumele balidwe, khona okumele balide. Angithi siya-understandana comrades. Asingaxhatshaniswa yinto engekho. Masibhekeni sonke, masifocuse kule goal A1 esibhekene nayo, ukukhulula umuntu omnyama, ukubuyisa isithunzi somuntu omnyama eSouth Africa. Umuntu omnyama uanda ingcindezelo ukuthi thina kumele comrades sikhulule abantu basekhaya. Ngakho-ke comrades, ngiyacela from the VD level up to national, comrades, let us focus. Umqimbi ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi umqimbi ulapha phansi. Ngicela abantu abakuma-VD, abakuma-wards, akekho nomuntu oyi-one ongabelongi to any VD, ongabelongi to any ward. Uma ungathi wena ngoba sowulapha phezulu, you don't belong phansi. Ayikho leyo nto. Amandla asemasebeni. Sithanda singathandi amandla alapha phansi emasebeni. Amasebe yiwo okumele egcineni adecide. Yingakho-ke comrades ukuthi uma sesideployiwe kumele sazi ukuthi we are deployed as leaders ukuzokwenzani yini umsebenzi wethu exactly. Namhlanje umkhonto wesizwe, comrades, ngiyacela singayivumeli yonke lento eyenzakalayo kumkhonto wesizwe. That one we cannot run away from it. Thina singabanye, we were trained to see izinto mazimoshakala. We were trained ukubona ukuthi lo mzila walento ubuyaphi. Ngakho-ke comrades, ngicela singa-alawi isitha sizodestroya umkhonto wesizwe. Njengoba siya kuma-elections, there are so many things eziqhamukayo emasayidini othi uma uzibheka ubone ukuthi le ayikhona. Kodwa it needs our vigilance. To save our organization, we must be all vigilant. Especially abomama. Bomama ngicela ukukhuluma nani. Bomama, let us lead a revolution. Let us not allow a vacuum in this organization. Let us not allow the enemy to do as he wishes. Ngakhona ngoba manje bomama isitha sibhokile and siyazi ukuthi iyiphi i-strong component kumkhonto wesizwe. Bomama, you are powerful. Bomama, you are powerful, and ipower yenu bengicela bomama ni understand, nizazi ukuthi ningabobani, and nazi ukuthi nina niphiwe ukuhlakanipha, niphiwe amandla. Kodwa ukuhlakanipha kwethu bomama asikusebenziseni ngendlela efanele, ngendlela right, ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ukwazi ukuthatha abomasipala bonke singashiyi noyedwa. Ngiyakuzwa bomama, iHulumeni, we must take it with a 2/3 majority, and we don't compromise. But iyodinga abomama abazosuka emafonini, abazosuka emagruphini, basoloku baxoxa izinto ezingakhi umkhonto wesizwe. Bomama, asiwakheni umkhonto wesizwe, ngoba bomama uma thina singahlakaniphanga, singabomama, umkhonto wesizwe uyobhidlizwa kwayithi ngalezi ezethu izandla. But kodwa namhlanje ngizonikhuthaza bomama. Bomama, ngicela ningazinyathi. Bomama, ngicela ningazideleli. Bomama, nihlakaniphe ngokwendalo. Ngakho-ke bomama, let's hold hands as one force, silide i-revolution, sibonise indlela right nakubantwana bethu. Abantwana bethu, iyouth ibheke kithi bomama, asibambaneni ne-youth, sigijime silinde i-revolution bomama, sibafundise abantwana bethu indlela right eyokuyothatha ilizwe. Sikhiphe abantwana bethu otakwini. Senze sure ukuthi abantwana bethu they get a right education, not the education they as a producer. Hey bantu abasha, ngicela ningavumi ukuthi nifundele ukuba ama-modern slaves. You must own the means of production, not ukuba ama-modern slaves. Yiyo lebo mama okumele sifundise abantwana bethu ukuthi abantwana bethu angafundele kuthiwa hayi funda uzokwazi uyothola umsebenzi omuhle. It's not about ukuthola umsebenzi omuhle. It's about creating umsebenzi omuhle for the masses. Angithi siyazwana bomama. Siyazwana bomama. Siyazwana. Ngaphisoganize. Ngaphandle kwethu bomama umzabalazo without women. There is no revolution without women. Ke ngakho ke bomama ngizonishiya ngalo lelo siyahamba siya kuma elections. We must take lama elections to that majority, but unity is power. United we will win, but divided we fall. Amandla, all power, Manibongwe.
Thank you, Thomas.